Hello, welcome to Kenzo's Corner. I'm Natalie, a new mom learning new things, so let's learn together. Now, today I have the Urban Glide Thule Stroller. Okay, I just said that all wrong. It's actually the Thule Urban Glide 3. Okay, so this brand caught my eye. And I'm so excited about it because not only is it functional, it's a jogging stroller. You can take it around to through all different terrain. So if you're active and you like to go to the park and things of that nature, I think you need to look into this brand. My mother-in-law actually gifted it to me for Christmas. So I'm so excited. Like I already have another stroller, but I like to go for walks in the park, long walks. And now my mother-in-law noticed that there's some different strollers out there specifically for the active mamas that want to get out and do things with the baby. So I'm so glad that she gifted this to us. Thank you so much, Mom. I'm just here to tell you guys about it. So with the Thule brand, it's pretty sleek. It's minimal and it's aesthetic. Like, I feel like it's a beautiful stroller. Not only does it look expensive, I'm gonna let you know right now, it kind of is. So it's retailing at about $650, okay? $650. So I do have some notes here about it. I'm gonna be reading it off to you guys. So one thing that I liked about it, it said it was lightweight, okay? So it's lightweight, it has a sturdy aluminum frame. It's available in different colors. So they have an all black, they have a blue color and a green color. I chose the green, you guys are gonna see here. I chose the green color. It just fits what I like, and I thought it was super, super cute. It's easy to fold and transport. The wheels are about 16 inches. They're all-terrain wheels, so it's basically like a car, okay? Like a tire. It is a tire. You can feel it. You feel it with air as well. So it says it has excellent suspension, a good brake system. So twist the hand or foot activated brakes for safety. You can maneuver it. It's very smooth. Perfect for jogging, walking, or urban settings. So think of pavement, think of like rock, think of just outdoors. So it's not only a city stroller where you can just go head to the grocery stores. They say all terrain, that's what they mean. So that's exactly why I chose this brand. It has an adjustable handlebar, reclining seat, storage. There's a canopy with a peekaboo window. So there's a one-handed compact folding mechanism for effortless storage, easy to store. It's lightweight, which makes it easy to lift. Most times I'm out walking by myself, so it is important for me to have a stroller that's light enough to fold, lift, and put it away in the vehicle. They have car seat compatibility for a seamless travel system, but I'm gonna show you guys the accessory that I got with it to make sure that it makes sense for me. Since Kenzo is only 6 months old, he has a car seat that's, in the car, and it's really cold where I live right now. So what I'm planning on doing is transferring him into the newborn nest that I bought. It's an accessory for the stroller, so he can be warm while we're walking, in the cooler temperatures. So it'll be safe, it'll be warm, and I don't have to worry about, carrying around extra blankets to cover him, in the car seat like I'm doing right now with the old the old stroller that we have. Let's see. Let's talk about safety features. There's a 5-point harness with padded straps for the comfort of your child and security. Reflective rims for visibility in low light conditions. So sometimes I'm out pretty early, so that is nice to have those reflective lights on the wheels. I'm super excited about that. And there's also a braking system. So it's hand operated or foot activated. So that's really important for me because I'll be going up hills and down certain hills in the park that I go to. So that's important to know. And you know what I'm most excited about is like just the function of the stroller. I want to work my way up into running, you know, and jogging with him. So you don't want to be running and like the baby's just shaking and vibrating and can feel every nook and cranny that you're passing over on the ground. So that's what I'm excited about, just to have a upgraded stroller that is specifically for outdoors, that can handle the different terrains, that looks beautiful, but is also functional. And I think I'm gonna have the best of both worlds with this stroller, and I cannot wait to test it out. All right, let's talk about the weight and the dimensions. So the stroller weight is approximately 25 to 30 pounds, okay? Let me actually double check that because I feel like when I went online, they said it was 30 pounds, but let me just check. Let me check. And that's gonna be an adjustment for me because the stroller, the little stroller that I have right now, it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight. I can literally like, you know, just fold it, pick it up, put it in a car, no problem. Okay, so with the Urban Glide 3, I want to know the exact weight on that so I'm accurate for you guys. Okay, so the stroller weighs 26.2 pounds. Okay, so 26 pounds. The maximum weight that your child can be to use this stroller is 49 pounds. So that's pretty good. I feel like you'll be able to use this stroller for a while. Probably from newborn all the way to toddler stage, yeah. And then the maximum stroller weight capacity, so that's child plus any bags that you're carrying and you're storing with your child, that's gonna be 75 pounds. So that's not too bad. So pretty much in conclusion, if you're an active parent and you want high performance with your stroller and you also want a stylish stroller, I think that this stroller can be the one for you. I haven't tested it out yet myself, but I'm so excited to unbox it and get on the road with it as soon as possible. I encourage you guys to try it out. If you already have the stroller, please share what are your thoughts about it? Do you like it? Do you think it was worth it for the money? Because yeah, it's about $650. It is a premium price point. And then also I would say another con I can say about the stroller is that every accessory that you want, you have to purchase it separately. I hate when they do that. You know, everything is sold separately, but hey, that's just the name of the game these days. They want to charge you for every little piece, you know, that goes with the components. So, hey, it may be sold separately. If it's something that you really want, you have to purchase it. And that includes like cup holders and like things like that. That includes cup holders, rain covers, just different accessories for the stroller. But if it's something that's important to you, I'm sure that you wouldn't have any issues on purchasing that. Whoa, look at those wheels. They're huge. Look.
Sitting in the Thule. Sitting in the Thule. Sitting in the Thule. Yeah.
Oh,
Sitting in
he
the Thule.
popped his hands out.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna be taking your hands out when it's cold?
Got the 16-inch rims, know what I mean? What you know about that? All rubber. Stop playing with them. Got air in there. Yeah. Yeah. Put me in the Thule. Shoot, got that sheepskin in here. Margilla, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Zipped up. Top down. Bam. Ooh. There you go.
Look at his face. He's like, what is that?
You want to pull the top back? Bam. Baby. What you think, Enzo? Think you likes it.